class. In this video we are going to review percentiles and quartiles and the relationship between the two. So we're going to start by finding the percentile that corresponds to the value of 55. So we have a set of 8 data points here: 49, 52, 52, 52, 74, 67, 53, and 55. So we have this little hint here. What do we need to do first? If you said sort the data, you would be correct. So let's go ahead and sort our data first. Since it's a small data set, we're going to do this by hand. So I like to mark these out as I go along. So 49, 52, and I have another 52, and another 52, and then I have a 53, so I'm going to get 53, put that next, and then 55, 67, and 74. Okay, so I'm asked to find the percentile of 55, so I'm going to underline 55. And then I'm going to count the values, the data values that are less than 55. So starting with 53, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 values less than 55. So to find my percentile, so I'm going to find the number of values less than 55. And then I'm going to divide that by the total number of values. Okay, so we said the total number of the values less than 55, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So that's 5. And then the total number of values was 8, so I have 5 divided by 8. I put that in my calculator to get a decimal, and I get 0.625. And then I need to multiply that by 100 because I need a percent. That key word should be percentile. It tells me I need a percent. So I'm going to multiply that by 100. To do that by hand, just go ahead and move that decimal place 2 to the right. So that means I am in the 62.5 percentile, or P, big P, little 62.5. So I'm going to put my answer in the blank here. Okay. So now that we've done that, let's find the value that represents P25 and find the value that represents P75. Well, if you'll remember, there is a nice relationship between certain percentiles and quartiles. So there's P25, we talked about, P50, and P75. Well, P25, remember, corresponds to Q1 because Q1 represents the lower 25% of our data. Well, that's the same thing as P25. P50 was our median, or Q2. And then P75 was Q3. So what this means is I'm going to take my data, my 8 data points, and run one variable stats and find Q1 and Q3. Okay, because I'm asked again in the problem to find P25 and P75. I'm not going to walk you through that, but I will show you that I already have it loaded and ready to go in my calculator. I'm going to trust that by now you know and are familiar with plugging in a data set and using one variable stats. So here is my one variable stats all ready to go. So notice that my Q1 is 52 and my Q3 was 61. So this will be Q1 for P25, and then Q3 is my P75. All right. So my P25 was 52, and my P75 was 61, and you're good to go. Congratulations on finishing Chapter 3. Go ahead and review all the notes that you need to do and finish up the homework, and then start reviewing for your test. You have a wonderful day.